The Cuisinart Chef's Convection countertop oven has 15 powerful functions,
including convection, speed convection, and dual cook.
Now, dual cook combines radiant heat from below, which will work great with this pizza, and the broiler, each time to perfection, so you get the results that you really want. I'm gonna prepare a vegetarian pizza and pull it together quickly, pop it in this oven, but I need to preheat ahead of time. I'll close it up and begin to set it. Look at this incredible finish. Beautifully crisp from the underside, and the broiler finishes it to perfection. That exact heat sensor makes certain that the temperature remains constant throughout the cooking time. How would you like to have that pizza at home?